Hi guys, today we're going to monetize your TikTok account. So first of all, unlock your phone and open the TikTok app. Once it opens, you'll land on your main feed where videos are playing. Make sure you're logged into the correct account because monetization options are tied to your profile. So yeah, just open TikTok and get ready to move to your profile section. Now look at the bottom right side and you'll see your profile icon there. Just tap on it once and it will take you to your account profile. This is where all your content, followers, and account settings are managed, so we need to be here. Take a second to make sure everything looks correct before moving on. Once you're on your profile, look at the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open a menu with different settings and tools, so don't get confused by the options. We're heading towards the Creator Tools section from here. Now, from the menu, find the option called TikTok Studio under Creator or Business Tools. Once you tap on it, it might take a few seconds to load, so just be patient. This is where TikTok gives you access to all monetization features and tools. After TikTok Studio opens, you'll see a dashboard with different sections. Just scroll down a bit to explore more options. There are multiple features here, but we're specifically looking for monetization-related tools. So keep scrolling until you find the right section. Now, you'll see the monetization section, which is exactly what we need. Tap on it and then select options like Services, Plus, or similar programs. These programs allow you to start earning based on your skills and content. So this is where the real journey begins. Just tap on the option and move forward. Finally, you'll see an option to join Services, Plus, or another monetization program. Just tap on Join to get started. After joining, TikTok will guide you through learning and eligibility steps, so don't worry if everything isn't unlocked instantly. With time and consistency, you'll be able to monetize your account properly. So yeah, that's how you can start monetizing your TikTok account step by step. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial you want next.